Welcome to Success Blueprints, your ultimate guide to unlocking financial freedom. I'm Ben, and today we're diving deep into the investment strategies of the legendary Robert Kiyosaki. In this video, we'll explore the 3 essential assets Robert Kiyosaki recommends you invest in before 2028 to build lasting wealth. But first, if you're ready to start your journey to financial independence, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Don't miss a single blueprint to success. Most of you know Robert Kiyosaki as the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a book that has changed the way millions think about money. Kiyosaki's philosophy centers on building assets that generate cash flow and create passive income. He challenges traditional thinking by urging us to move away from just working for money and instead to make our money work for us. Today I'll break down his 3 essential asset categories that he believes will be the cornerstones of wealth, especially as we approach 2028. Let's start with real estate, the classic asset that has built the fortunes of many. Kiyosaki has always emphasized that real estate isn't just about owning property, it's about creating cash flow and leveraging your investments. Consider this: rental properties provide a steady stream of income, and over time property values tend to appreciate. For instance, many investors have seen annual appreciation rates of 3 to 5% in solid markets, plus the bonus of tax advantages and leverage. Real-world example. Think of savvy investors who started with a small duplex and reinvested their cash flow into additional properties. Their portfolios grew over time, creating a virtuous cycle of income and equity buildup. Remember, Kiyosaki urges us to view real estate as an asset that puts money in your pocket, not just a place to live. It's about identifying properties in growing markets, using financing smartly, and managing cash flow effectively. If you're finding value in these insights, please give this video a thumbs up and share in the comments. What's one real estate tip you'd love to learn more about? And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Next up on Kiyosaki's list are precious metals, specifically gold and silver. Often referred to as God's money, these tangible assets have stood the test of time as reliable stores of value. Why precious metals? In times of economic uncertainty and inflation, gold and silver serve as safe havens. For example, during periods of market volatility, investors flock to these metals to preserve their wealth. Currently, with gold trading around $267 per share, as seen via SPDR Gold Shares, and silver near $29 per share, iShares Silver Trust, these assets offer both a hedge against inflation and a counterbalance to paper assets like stocks. Let's look at history. During the 2008 financial crisis, gold prices surged significantly as investors sought security. Kiyosaki believes that as the global economic landscape evolves, holding a portion of your portfolio in tangible assets like gold and silver is not only prudent, it's essential. Moreover, precious metals are not tied to any single country's economic policies, making them a globally recognized form of wealth. They add an important layer of diversification to your investment portfolio, reducing overall risk. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, I encourage you to comment below with your thoughts on gold and silver. And if you're not yet part of our Success Blueprints community, Hit subscribe now for more actionable insights. Last but not least, we have Bitcoin, a digital asset that Kiyosaki sees as the evolution of money. Bitcoin represents a paradigm shift in how we view currency and financial freedom. Kiyosaki has been outspoken about Bitcoin, suggesting that it has the potential for massive upside. Some predictions even point to returns in the thousands of % range. As of now, Bitcoin is trading at around $97,566, and despite its volatility, it has consistently outperformed many traditional investments over the past decade. What makes Bitcoin so special? For one, it operates independently of traditional banks and governments, providing an alternative to the conventional financial system. Its decentralized nature means that no single entity controls it, giving individuals greater financial sovereignty. Additionally, as more institutional investors begin to allocate funds into crypto, Bitcoin's legitimacy and long-term potential continue to grow. Kiyosaki views Bitcoin as a digital gold, a store of value for the new age. He advises investors to consider a modest allocation of their portfolio in cryptocurrencies to complement their traditional assets, adding a layer of innovation and growth potential. Are you already dabbling in Bitcoin, or is this your first look at the crypto market? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to take your first step toward digital investing, hit that subscribe button now. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. Robert Kiyosaki's blueprint for wealth emphasizes building a robust portfolio by focusing on 3 essential asset classes: real estate, a time-tested asset that provides steady cash flow and long-term appreciation; precious metals, gold and silver, your safeguard during economic uncertainty, offering diversification and protection against inflation; Bitcoin, the innovative digital frontier that challenges traditional finance and offers exponential growth potential. These assets aren't just about surviving in an uncertain economy. They're about thriving and setting the stage for financial freedom. By diversifying your portfolio with these real, tangible, and digital assets, you're preparing yourself for the economic landscape of tomorrow, well before 2028. Now is the time to act. Start researching these assets, speak with a financial advisor, and take control of your investment strategy today. If you found today's blueprint valuable, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment on which asset you're most excited to invest in. And of course, subscribe to Success Blueprints for more expert advice on building your wealth, because your future starts with the choices you make today. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself and your future. Until next time, keep building your success blueprints.